Hello students, welcome at Educare. This is Vinod Bihani, and in today's our mathematics session we will take overlook on the important concepts related to triangle, that is circumcenter, incenter, orthocenter and centroid of a triangle. So these 4 points related to triangle that we are going to see, and all they are related with the triangle. That's very important to know. First we will deal with circumcenter. Suppose it is this triangle ABC that I have drawn. So in this first figure we will see about circumcenter. To consider the circumcenter, we require to know what is meant by that center of a circle, and that circle called circumcircle. Do you know circumcircle? I am drawing such a rough figure, that circle which passes through all 3 vertices of a triangle, that is called as circumcircle. So this circle is nothing but circumcircle, and its center is called as circumcenter. Suppose that circumcenter I denote here with some point denoted by, suppose, point P. Do you know how this circumcircle is drawn? It is drawn by considering the side bisectors of all 3 sides of a triangle, and then they are all passed to single point, and that point is nothing but circumcenter, and the corresponding circle passing through the all 3 vertices is known as circumcircle. Similarly, what is meant by incenter? The second diagram in which we will see now about incenter. Suppose this is also triangle ABC. Then incenter of a circle is the center of incircle. Incircle is the circle which touches all 3 sides of a triangle internally, that is passing through internal part of triangle. Something such rough diagram that I am going to draw. This is the incircle of this triangle. How this incircle is drawn? How that we get its point at the center called incenter, and that is the incenter. How incenter we got? We get incenter by drawing the angle bisectors of all 3 angles, something like that. And that common point, the point of intersection denoted by capital I, that is called as incenter. So we come to know how circumcenter and incenter we can get. Now we deal with orthocenter. Orthocenter of a triangle is nothing but the point of intersection of all 3 altitudes of a triangle. All 3 altitudes of a triangle, they are also called heights of triangle. Suppose this triangle ABC, and if you have such AL perpendicular to side BC, suppose this BM perpendicular to side AC, and suppose it is this CN perpendicular to this side AB. I repeat, we have taken triangle ABC, we have drawn from each vertex perpendicular to the opposite side, then that each perpendicular is called as altitude of a triangle, and a triangle has such 3 altitudes here. They are AL, BM and CN, and can you observe, it is this point of intersection O is called as orthocenter. So what is orthocenter? It is the point of intersection of 3 altitudes of a triangle. And then the last we deal with centroid of a triangle. Centroid of a triangle, suppose it is this triangle ABC in this 4th figure, and now if you consider the midpoints of each side, suppose D is midpoint of BC, suppose E is midpoint of AC, and similarly this F is midpoint of AB. Then if you join AD, if you join BE, and if you join such CF, then can you get such common point in the triangle, that is called as centroid, denoted by G. So what is centroid of a triangle? It is the point of intersection of all 3 medians of a triangle. These are medians AD, BE and CF, they are median, while here it was AL, BM and CN, they were altitudes. Here these three are medians. The point of intersection of three medians called centroid, the point of intersection of three altitudes called orthocenter, the center of circumcircle called circumcenter, and the center of incircle is called as incenter. One more information about the centroid you should know. Centroid divide each median internally in the ratio 2:1. So this is the brief information about these circumcenter, incenter, orthocenter and centroid of a triangle. If you like this video, share with your maximum friends and also subscribe to our channel. You will get more and more videos in the section. To get them, press the bell button icon to get our notification. Thanks.